In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lusha to extract contact. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right people, refine your results, and reveal verified contact details inside the Lusha dashboard. Start by opening the Lusha dashboard and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Search. This is your prospecting workspace. Everything you do from here, finding people, narrowing down results, and viewing contact information, happens in this area. Next, set up your filters to focus on the audience you actually want. Use location to target a region or country, then layer in job title, seniority, and department to hone in on decision makers. Industry and company size are especially helpful if you sell into specific verticals or target mid-market versus enterprise. If you know a company name or keyword, add that too. The more precise your filters, the cleaner your results, and the fewer credits you'll waste revealing contacts that aren't a fit. At the top of the results, choose whether you want contacts or companies. Contacts shows individual people that match your filters, which is ideal when you want direct emails and phone numbers. Companies shows organizations that match your criteria. From there, you can open a company and explore the people within it. If your goal is to extract personal work details right away, stick with contacts. In your results list, click into a profile area to preview it, then use the checkbox next to any person you're interested in to select them. This is a quick way to keep track of prospects as you scan. When you're ready to learn more about someone, click Show Details. A panel will open with their role, company, seniority, and other helpful context so you can confirm they're a good match before you reveal anything. Once you've validated the fit, click Show Emails and Phones. Lusha will reveal available professional contact information, often a business email, sometimes a direct dial or mobile. Keep in mind that revealing contact details may use a credit, so it's smart to review the profile first. If multiple emails appear, prioritize the one marked as most accurate and consider saving the alternate as a backup. Always use this information responsibly and in line with your company's compliance and outreach practices. That's it. Go to the dashboard, open search, apply targeted filters, choose contacts or companies, select the right profiles, open show details, and then reveal emails and phones. With a clear process like this, you'll extract high-quality contacts quickly and confidently.